Hey friends, welcome to another review. This is the Nuovoware magnetic water bottle holder. Also holds all your other stuff on there. We got a couple pockets in the front and like some hooks on the side here. So if you're going camping or hiking or something like that, you want to take your water bottle along, you just throw it in there. It's got this nice kind of flexible neoprene on there. It's this nice adjustable strap. Also, you can just throw this over your shoulder, and if you just want to carry it too, it has this little handle right here. Also, we have some powerful magnets on the side, so if there's like a metal pole or something there, you can throw it on there and have it hold off of that. Yeah, there's a couple different ways we can wear this. So you wear it like this, kind of convenient though. I mean, a lot of people, like, cell phones are getting bigger and they don't want to put stuff in their pockets. I like cargo pants myself. You can throw a bunch of stuff in there, but a lot of people don't carry any stuff in their pockets. So with this, you got your phone in here, you got your water bottle, you got glasses, you got your keys. I got my wallet here in the front too. Wear it like that. Throw it over your shoulder. A little bit more secure, however you want to wear it. It's comfortable, out of the way. You still have both your hands available. So if you are hiking, maybe you got some of those walking sticks or something like that, you can walk like that. Also has this little handle here too, so if you want to just carry it like this. Pretty handy actually. It's definitely more convenient than just carrying around like a water bottle. All right, let's just check it out. This got so I can throw my glasses on here. It's got a couple little basically little loops here you can hook on. It comes with this little carabiner too. Throw your keys on there. On the side right here, it's got these three magnets. So you can hook stuff on there. If there's like a metal pole or something, you just stick that to, stick it on there to keep it off the ground. So nice large area for a thermos or whatever. If you have a different kind of cup, you can put in there, hold it in there, keep your stuff safe. It's got this neoprene thing. It's also adjustable too, so if you want to seal that up, you can. Let's see. Right here, I got my wallet in here. Throw some other stuff in there. This pocket's nice and big. This is a Samsung Galaxy S24, 23 Ultra with a big fat case on there, and it still fit in there nicely. So something like this, I mean, if you don't have a cargo pants, it's not that easy to carry around. So this is quite convenient. You can carry all the necessities that you want with you with your water bottle. And be comfortable too. It's the handles, it's got some neoprene around there too, so it's not going to be difficult to carry. And the carry strap on here, it's got some padding as well, so it's not going to be hurting you. You can also adjust the strap, make it a little tighter if you want, or looser, depending on what you need. Very cool, very convenient. Thanks for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.